In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a super decadent pork and crab noodle dish, my version of ants climbing trees. This recipe is inspired by my trip to Shanghai, where I got to try the amazing crab noodles at Sejodari restaurant. My version is filled with rich pork mince, tender crab meat, and long chewy noodles. Let's get walking, baby! The first thing to do is wok on nice and hot so it's smoking around the edges. Then I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of rapeseed oil. Next I'm going to go in with some minced garlic, some grated ginger, finely chopped chili. Give this a quick stir, and in goes my minced pork. Break up the minced pork in the wok and just let it sear on one side, and then just gently start to mix it around. You want to hear that sizzle, that searing sound. And now in goes some Shaoxing rice wine, or you could use dry sherry. Smells amazing. Next, for some seasoning, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of Kum Kee's premium oyster sauce. And this is going to inject a lovely sweetness, real hit of umami. Next, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of Kum Kee's premium dark soy sauce. And this is really going to inject a deep caramel flavor to the dish. And now spicy. In goes Kum Kee's chili bean sauce. It's basically fermented chilies and soybeans, so that's going to give it a real kick. Now, I've got here some mung bean noodles, and they've already been pre-soaked in some hot water. So give that a good stir. I'm going to add in some vegetable stock. So just give this a good stir so the noodles absorb the stock and all that seasoning. I'm going to go in with my fresh white crab meat and fresh brown meat. And the crab meat is going to impart a lovely sweetness, and the brown part of the meat is going to add a lovely creaminess to the noodles. Oh, it's looking so good already. And then last but not least, some fresh spring onions. And I'm going to just drizzle over some Kum Kee's pure sesame oil. It's just going to bring the whole dish together. So we're ready to serve. I'm going to spoon some of this delicious noodle. Look at that. Beautiful. Delicious mung bean noodles. Now with a spoon, just fish out some of the crab meat, the sauce, and the mince. For some more freshness, some spring onions. That's it. That's my pork and crab noodles, my version of ants climbing trees. Make sure you check out the rest of the series for loads more delicious eats and easy to make recipes. Just click the link on the screen now.